Hi, welcome to piano lessons. This is our second piano lesson for a very young beginner, like around 4 years old. Today we're going to learn about a new character in our book. We're in the Color Me Musical Piano Book 1, the Adagio book, and here is the page that we're on. We're going to learn about Cade, and Cade is a creature. Not really sure what he is. He's just a creature. But what color is Cade? He's orange. All right, remember we learned Dave. Dave lives right in the middle of this cave right here. Well, Cade is his friend, and he lives next to the dragon cave right here on the left side of the cave. With your right hand, your thumb will play Cade. So let's put your thumb on Cade and play Cade. I'm going to switch my camera just really quick to my hands on the piano. Okay, here's the two black keys that are the cave. This is where Dave lived, and we played Dave. So now we're going to play Cade. We don't put your thumb right on the key like this. Yeah, you don't play it like this. You rest it so that the key is right here on the side of your thumb. See how my whole hand just looks like it's fallen right onto those keys. Okay, I'm going to play with my thumb and say Cade every time I play. Cade, 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 Cade. That's that song, Cade the Creature. Okay, now we have that rest. And remember when we're playing and we have a rest, we turn your hand up like this and say, oh, rest. And then come back to the piano and play. So we'll play Cade, 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 rest. Cade, 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 rest. The next song is called Rest, Cade, Rest. Let's see if you can do this one without me, where you have to play Cade and then a rest. And Cade, then a rest. All right, you can pause the video and practice that till you can play it. Now the next song is Cade Loves Orange. Wow, look at all these rests. Cade, rest, rest, rest. Cade, rest, rest, rest. Go ahead and you can practice that. All right, we're going to go to the next page. This is what we're going to do. Next time we're going to play Cade and Dave together in the same song. All right, I hope you enjoyed learning to play Cade with your thumb. See you next time.